On Mac, click Open the Finder and select AirDrop. Turn on Wi-Fi, then select Everyone. And on the iPhone, open Control Center. Tap AirDrop. Select Everyone. Then go to the photo folder. In the camera roll, select the video to send. Click Select, tap the sent video. Then click the sign in the lower left corner. The name of the AirDrop from the laptop will be detected appears automatically. Click the name of the AirDrop recipient. OK, the video file is in the process of being sent. On Mac, a sign will appear in the upper right corner. OK, the video file has been sent successfully. You can check the video file directly. OK, let's check the video file. The video file is in the download folder. OK, that's an example of sending a video without iTunes using AirDrop from iPhone to Mac. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it's useful.